What's the meaning of cozy? Cozy. Cozy.
Cosy. Cosy. The word cozy refers to a feeling of warmth, comfort, and security. It is often used to describe a small, intimate space that is inviting and comfortable. A cozy environment might feature soft lighting, plush furnishings, and warm colors. It can create a sense of relaxation and contentment, and is often associated with winter nights spent indoors. A cozy atmosphere can be found in many different settings, such as cafes, homes, and cabins in the woods. Ultimately, it is a feeling of comfort and ease that offers a respite from the outside world.